Yo, good morning, everybody. Bit of a quiet starting on the live, but yeah, hope everyone's well. What's up, Ride the Spide, brother Holrick, yeah, brother Soul, how are you? What's up, you dirty rat? And Bjornson, is it Erluki? Hello as well, over on YouTube. Hello to Israel Lewis. Kia ora, kia ora. Good morning, everybody. Bit of we're on the final clean vibes at the moment. Hope everyone's good. I had a busy weekend, a stressful one too. Holy. Not to get into Auckland and the truck is legit, the heat meter starts going up and down. Bro. That was very stressful, I ain't gonna lie. But you just celebrated my daughter's 6th birthday. 6th birthday on the weekend. She had fun. Disney on Ice was pretty fun, not gonna lie. I think I enjoyed it more than one of my kids. It was it was a pretty solid experience, I ain't gonna lie. I just wish that they had more. They didn't really have much. Chill, my bro. Yeah, they didn't have too much going on. Yeah, bro, it was stressful as when the heat meter started going higher than usual on the highway. I was like, oh, don't fucking do this to me now, bro. How cold is it in NZ right now? I have no idea. Like, it is a tad cold today, but in terms of like a guesstimate, I don't know. I'm not too sure, but yeah, what we're currently doing is getting like the last bits of cleaning in, like stuff I may have overlooked, and we're just sorting that out. That's pretty much what we're up to today. Yeah. Nah, Beyonce, don't be sorry, bro. If you have to go to bed, ideally you should go to bed, my bro. I don't want anybody to be sorry that has to go to bed, brother. So Scratch was steam coming out the side of the oh, bro. Like, those were like the things I was looking for. Like, there was no steam, thank goodness. But all in all, we got to our destination, and I checked the motor, and like my reserve tank for my coolant is full, but I don't think it's been feeding into my radiator at all. Like, at all, which is bloody crazy. Kia ora TikTok, good morning. Hey, what's up, Social Club? Yeah, I didn't hear any manner of like boiling or anything like that. Then luckily though, my brother lives up in Auckland, and I hit him up, bro, can you give me like some coolant and all that. But yeah, long story short, we got home, but it was I was stressed out the whole drive, like I couldn't not think about it. But definitely today or sometime this week, I'm gonna send my truck in to get looked at, because I don't think the reserve is feeding into the radiator at all. But when I opened like the radiator cap, air went straight through and bubbled into the reserve, so I'm like confused as. Holy, back-to-back raid. Aaron Uva and El Cases, thank you very much for the back-to-back raids over on Twitch, man. Welcome through to the stream. No mai haere mai koutou katoa. Welcome everybody. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver and a gamer as well. I've been gaming since Sonic 1 and I've been carving since 12. Yes, I'm pretty old too. But I can be a cheeky shit when I want to be. But welcome on through to the stream. And no mai haere mai to everybody on TikTok as well. So I've been, over the weekend too, I was thinking of a YouTube gaming channel name. Because I don't want to go with the generic, you know, Brox Gaming kind of thing. I'm either thinking Planet Brox or Brox World, one of the two. I legit got Planet Brox from Planet Vegeta when I was watching Dragon Ball Z over the weekend. Where do you live? Aotearoa, New Zealand, on the giant petrified fish. Or stingray, not fish. So what we're currently doing with this piece to everyone that's just calling in, so we're on a phase of the carving I call the final clean. So one thing I do is we start from the top, go right down to the bottom, just check over any little imperfections that we may have missed through the designing, all the molding, but mostly just the designing phase. That's what we're kind of looking over right now. The crocs, yeah, I only carve in comfort, my bro. First day not training anyone for weeks, can finally watch the way. Oh, true, Sam. True, my bro. Yeah, I had a busy weekend. I was going to check out, we stopped at Sylvia Park. I didn't realise it was a mall that's been in like sections. It was kind of like a last birthday thing for the kids where we did, we mainly went to, Build-A-Bear. We went to Build-A-Bear so they could build their own teddy bears and put a message in it. So yeah, that was like the main thing. No visit for Popeyes. My brother-in-law said it was average as fucking KFC's better, so I didn't even bother, my bro. If he says that about saving Hamilton yesterday, what do you mean saving Hamilton? Thank you, Tommy. Surely been a pleasure to watch you for the uncles, my bro. Hey, appreciate you, brother. Destiny Meek, hello, and Threats. So yeah, we went to Build-A-Bear, not gonna lie, that was pretty fun too. I was gonna do one and put 2 messages in the bear because they record messages too. But I just thought, next time. I was checking out some of the movie announcements over the weekend too. My kids were going absolutely bloody nuts for Moana too. Hey, what's up, King Sushi? I'm doing good, brother. Dolphin season, thank you very much for the biddies, brother. Oh, for the roses, sorry. Oh, it's gone downhill in the UK? I think it's just a local store thing. So what the kids had to do, so they had to choose a beard, bro. Basic as there was like Dragonite, Mudkip, Toothless, Stitch, Munchlax, and all these other cool like stuffed animals you could choose from, and they chose the generic bear. I was like, God, he's so boring. Well, my daughter chose unicorn. So, oh, he's a bloody boring man. And one thing they have to do, I was pretty proud of my daughters too, because you got to choose you got to choose a heart for your bear. You know, it's like magical things. You know, rub on it, spring, all that stuff that engages the kids' imagination. But there's two types of hearts you could choose from: the normal one and the charity one. And both my daughters went for the charity heart. I was like, oh, that's my girls. So I was pretty happy about that. But yeah, no, the Disney on Ice was a vibe, man. I actually enjoyed it. There's the mean Maori store out west. They pounamu leftovers for like... Wait, really? Oh, that's mean. No, I haven't watched any Shinty yet, brother. I had a really busy weekend, my bro. Just celebrating my daughter's 6th birthday. So I haven't really checked it out yet, my brother. Sorry. He's 6 years old, my bro. 6 years old and has bloody attitude of a 13-year-old. What are you making? We have finished making something called a manaya. So that's what this is. This is actually for Jill birthday. So this is for 2 people. These things here. Yeah, so these are for the 2 people in particular. Hence the reason why it has 2 heads. So there's one head that you can't just barely can see, and then they got this one here. Yo, thank you very much to Liberator Nasty for the Optimus Prime and first Sabilala of the day. Where do you put it? Oh, I don't... This won't be staying with me. It's going to, It's actually going to a birthday. Majority of the carvings that I've made throughout my life, yeah, don't really stay with me, brother. My, yeah, there's not, like, I'll be honest, there's like legit no carvings in my house. But I have made it my goal to carve my own taiaha though, because I've made so many, I've never actually carved one for myself. So what process we're in right now is kind of like the final clean. That's kind of what I'm working through right now. So we start top to bottom. Look for any small minor detail that we may have missed, just to clean it up pretty much. Kia ora, Drew. Do you hang the art on a wall like a painting? I mean, you can. It's really up to the owner. And I'm not the owner. Is the Olympics finally over yet? Bro, I was buzzing for Lydia Ko. Closing ceremony was this morning? Oh, yeah. How was it? Well, what did they do this time? Hey, what's up, Kirby? The moon is hollow and there is a cheese factory on the inside. That makes a lot of sense. But you know what's gonna suck for their cheese factory? No one's ever gonna really try it. Hey Aiden, what's up Jeremy? And Dog, chair. Liberator Nasty, thank you for the biddies, brother. Some you know that Australian breakdancer Reagan? I ain't gonna lie, I really feel bad for her. Like the way she was treated on the internet, I ain't gonna lie. I genuinely hope she's okay. I really hope she's okay, because the amount of like, because you know the internet can be a real nasty place when it wants to be. But I genuinely hope she's okay. You're doing a great job, I appreciate that, brother. Alright. Yeah, I met a few people in Auckland as well, they watched the stream. And the thing that I have to do as well, I have to go back to Auckland this Thursday. God damn it. From what I can see here, everything is in check, pretty much. Hey, thank you, Demons. What's up, Cody on YouTube? Thank you very much. Your boy Traff for the roses. Auckland more like Dorkland. Boy, oh boy, there was dry. Where we were staying too, oh, Christopher comes staying his patrol, like, bro, everyone like shut down the whole road so he could get to his hotel room. Like convoys on convoys kind of thing. Lego exhibition in Auckland. Oh, really? Bro, I would have been down to go check that out. I ain't gonna lie. That would have been mean. Taking shape, yeah, brother. It's So what I'm currently doing is just, you know, kind of going over it one more time before we initially start staining them. So we'll actually be staining 3 pieces all at the same time, as well, because this is for a birthday, but with this commission too, there's 2 other pieces that I had to carve as well. So those other 2 pieces will initially be stained when it comes to staining day. We'll try and aim for this week as well for staining. I can 100% guarantee you it will not be Thursday, because I've got a trip with my daughter's kohanga or kindi to Snow Planet, and I've decided to go this time round instead of my wife. She's the little daredevil, so I'm gonna make her do like toboggans and all that. Running over a month. Oh, true. Yo, that's sick. Thank you, brother. Hi from Wales. Kia ora, brother. How long have you been a woodcarver? Since I was 12, brother. 12 years old is when I initially started following, or started on this path, I should say. Yeah, 12 years old, my bro. And I turn 33 next month, pretty much. We need to take these out too. Yeah, I turn 33. I turn 33 next month. Hello from South Africa. Hello, brother. Lord Asshead, thank you for the 6 months in advance. I'm still surprised that you have that as a Twitch name, my bro. My man got away with it. Thank you very much for the 6 months in advance, brother. If you are enjoying the stream and you want to see more, give the YouTube and also the TikTok a follow as well. Well, much appreciated for the support as well. Hey, Chantella, kia ora. Thank you for the 8 months as well. Surely, time surely does fly. Yeah. Have you been well? Yeah, just got back from Tamaki yesterday. Bloody stressful trip and a half for me, but we went up to, oh, Lord Asshead, thank you for the 5-bomb, brother. Thank you very much, good sir. I will never be amazed, I will always be amazed that you still have that as your Twitch name. Ain't gonna lie, no capital. Thank you, brother. How did it go? Yeah. Like, I got my wife and all that, but I drove to Auckland on the weekend, and we just got into Auckland, and my heat gauge started going a bit higher than normal. And that was as stressful as can be, especially on the highway. I do not like Auckland one bit. It's too much for me. It's way too much for me. How was Disney on Ice? Bro, it was so good, eh? I was buzzing out at the Mary Poppins part. And my kids are like, who's that? Why does she have an umbrella inside? I thought that's not allowed. Here's me going, don't disrespect the OG, man. The kids are like, but you growl us for opening an umbrella inside? Yeah, so they go from like Mary Poppins, after that, like the OGs come out, like Mickey Mouse, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy, they come out. After that, it transitioned into Moana. My daughters went absolutely nuts for that. After that, they transitioned into Lion King. I was buzzing out at that. Then they transitioned into Aladdin and Toy Story. I might be missing a few, I think. Oh, and then they brought all the like princesses out. They had like a girl power kind of segment. That kind of stuff. After that, yeah, there was a few other things in between, just like with all the characters as well. I'm gonna lie, I was waiting for Encanto. That's what I was waiting for. But nope. Oh, and Frozen. Frozen was the other one. So it's kind of split up into two sections, pretty much. So there's a lunch break in between and all that. But it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. On the Aladdin one, they had the Will Smith genie. I was like, bruh, wrong one, man. You the boss, the king, the shine. Yeah, you can't beat the animated one, I'm gonna lie. Also, I saw all the movies, they got teased over the weekend. The Mufasa movie ruined the timeline. Because Mufasa wasn't an orphan kid. They fucked it up, chat. They fucked it up as they usually do. Yeah, I was pretty disappointed. Yeah. So like in the book, the person that actually or the lion that discovers the Pride Lands is their grandfather, Mohatu. He's the one that finds the Pride Lands. And then when they pretty much said that Mufasa was an orphan, and then they went, L movie. Actual L movie. I'm pretty keen for their Lilo and Stitch movie, though. What else was there? Incredibles 3, they announced that. Yeah, I don't know. There was a few announcements, but yeah, Moana 2 was probably the highlight for me. Hey, thank you, Anthony and Wally. Welcome to everyone on TikTok as well. Jeez, there's a lot of you in here today. Currently Monday here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. I ain't gonna lie, I had a stressful weekend. There is a slight hint of Monday Odyssey. But I will push through and provide the streams as usual, Father. So yeah, I'm gonna need your guys' help on choosing a name for my YouTube gaming channel. Either Planet Brox or Brox World, I don't know. Or do we just go with the generic Brox Gaming? I was just trying to be different, that's all. Because it would be a channel just for like gaming and reacting to like new stuff, I would say. Hey brother, you know Chisel, my nizzle. Full chisel. How much timber is there? I really like your art. I appreciate that, brother Jason. Thank you, user, for the roses. What's the best word for this? Free timber. And I'm not even lying. Free timber will always cut better than any bought one. I'm honest. I'm being genuinely honest with you too. Like really, really. How long would a piece take to make? It kind of depends how much time you put into it. Like, the example I always use, if I did this off stream, this would have been done a while ago. But one thing I like to do while I'm carving away is having good yarns. So yeah, on stream it does take a little bit longer than usual. But me personally, I don't mind at all because I really enjoy, having a conversation while working. It just makes it better, good company. Tom Slayer, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Yeah, man loves to have a good convo along the way. Love your work. Thank you, brother. Just dropping everything down. Do you improvise? Sorry, I missed that comment. Do you have to sand certain parts by hand? I don't sand at all. Sanding something like this just creates more unnecessary work. Easiest way to clean these is with a chisel, by push cleaning it. The only time we'd ever really use sandpaper to clean is when we make our weapons. Obviously, these days our weapons aren't used for their original purpose. What's up, Peaches? Yeah, I know being away from the stream would have not been ideal, but hey. I appreciate that, brother Neil on YouTube. Super talented. Just, you know, doing it for a long time. Definitely helps. A lot of grinding to get where I am. A hell of a lot of grinding. But in the end, all worth it. Like, for example, when I moved away, when I moved out of home at like 16, like I was still doing this. I was still carving, you know, trying to perfect and refine what I had learned from my uncle. Yeah, I was still doing this. Even when, you know, financially I got nothing out of it, this is what I love to do. And eventually, you know, graduated from high school, carried on doing this, got a job. Yeah, but majority of my life, this is what I've been doing, like all the time. Thank you very much to Postmortem for the Optimus Prime. Love you out. Have a nice day. Thank you, brother. You have a beautiful one too. Alright. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. There's no such thing as a dumb question. If you want to know, this art form actually has been a part of my culture for a very long time. Because we didn't have a written form of language. We had other methods, you know, to tell our stories, pass down our histories, and this is one of the many that we have. But these days, you know, we have books and whatnot, but these art forms are still well and truly kept alive. So you finished shaping the wood? Oh, che, yeah, bro. Yeah, so initially we finished a lot of like the designing, like all of it. So the designing is well and truly done. What I do on this like final look over of this whole piece is kind of see where it's at. That's the main thing. Kind of like make sure I haven't missed anything that could have been, that could be, you know, improved. That's kind of what I kind of do with the like last phase of it all. Before we start getting into staining and all that kind of stuff. Do you have an online store? No, I don't, brother. Yeah, I don't really like to do things like that. I'd rather be, although, having an online store might help financially, but me personally, I like to build a connection with the person or the client and kind of go to from there. I feel like having a store with a lot of carvings in it and make me feel like a bit of a robot, and I hate that feeling too. I think it feels more genuine, to have one-on-ones with like the people, have one-on-ones and like have a genuine conversation about work. How often do you mess up? Oh, nearly all the time. But keep in mind, we don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. There are very, very old carvings out there that have, hiccups here and there, but our ancestors didn't really give a damn. They just left it there and it gave them more character. And that's kind of the mindset that some carvers have, just carry on. But obviously, in saying that too, there are methods to fix those little hiccups that you may have if you like. Say for example, here. So I did the wrong design here. Luckily, there's enough timber for me to shave it down and redo it. For another example, if there's rot in this section, if I had rot right there, you'd cut that section out into a block and do an implant, shave it all down to the initial shape and carry on. Yeah. Did you flood? Yeah, I did actually. It was this lady left. So if you don't know chat, if you don't follow the TikTok, the hotel room we were staying in, cause bro, the dumb thing about this hotel didn't have normal TV, so we couldn't watch the Olympics. It only had like YouTube and all that. So this account, someone had left their YouTube account logged in the room we were in. So I took it upon myself to just flood this person's, like, I don't know, is it called a FYP on YouTube? I'm not too sure what it would be called in YouTube terms. I just filled their whole feed with duck videos. There were people saying, oh, you should have put like erotic videos. I was like, that's too common, man. Everyone does that. But yeah, most watched video was like I made it like an hour-long video of just ducks in a pond. Categories, ducks. I should have taken a bloody photo, but I was just too in the mood to get out of Auckland because I hate busy cities. It's not for me. It's not my vibe. Yeah, we pretty much just filled her feed with like random duck videos. It was amazing. That's the biggest cheeky heist I've ever did. Hey, what up, Nikachi? Cheer on, bro. Hope you're well, my bro. But yeah, whoever that lady was. No, I don't want to say the name. I didn't want to say the name of the account. I don't want to dox someone. But yeah, it had YouTube Premium on it. When I clicked on it, she watched some pretty weird videos. Like her initial history of it all. But yeah, it was fun. Yeah, we carving today. There's a hint of Monday-itis in the air, I ain't gonna lie. Also, I saw the latest season for Fortnite, and it looks pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. It actually looks fun. I watched the trailer and I'm not gonna lie, they kinda had me at Victor Von Doom. So I might get back into Fortnite again. Looks amazing. Appreciate it, brother Jasmine. Hello on YouTube. Yeah, I might get into it again. Like after the Wasteland season, I just wasn't feeling it, to be honest. As much as I wanted to play it, I only ever wanted to play it for one skin. And it would have been a waste of money just to get the battle pass just for that one skin. For the T60 armor. Yeah, I'm a bit of a Fallout fan as well. But yeah, I genuinely wasn't feeling that season. Okay, I think we can turn him around now. Beautiful piece, thank you, brother. Alright, let's check over this side now. So this is the other side that we did. So the design on this side is called Hai Hai Pakati. This design is called Rapi Rapi. What is it supposed to be? This is called a manaya. A manaya can be depicted in many ways. With this one, obviously, it has two heads. Now, a manaya can represent an individual's mana, not the blue health bar from an MMO. Mana is kind of like what we call like our status or our reputation in life, in our culture. Second one can represent how many children an individual had. So if you see one carving of an ancestor and they have multiple different types of manayas all over them, it can either indicate how much mana they had, or it can indicate how much children they had. And another one, with this one in particular, the reason why we have two manaya on here is because it's going to two people that share the same birthday. And a manaya can also be what is called a kaitiaki. A kaitiaki is a guardian, and this is what this carving is. But also these two, getting this carving, also getting another carving as well. So I had to do like 3 carvings for this one commission. Well, technically I only had to do 2 because my uncle had already finished one. So this commission wasn't even mine to begin with. It was actually my uncle's who taught me how to carve. So this was his commission, and unfortunately, he, as most of you know, he passed away. And being one of his students, it was given to me to finish it for him. So I didn't hesitate. I said, yeah, I'll finish it. Like, there was no... Didn't matter how much it was more for the fact that, you know, I got to uphold my uncle's legacy, you know. That was initially the thought that crossed my mind when I got approached to finish my uncle's work. So I kind of set on it. Try to figure out, you know, what I could do, how I could do it. And one thing I wanted to do this time around was keep it simple. Because that was my uncle's style, eh? Simple, straight up and down, you know. No mucking around. And that's what I kind of did with this piece. I kept it simple. Simplicity was what I was going for. Hey, what up, Chef? Good weekend, but also super stressful, my bro. Super stressful. Yeah, so initially that's that was the example I took from for this. It was, how do I say this? While we've been doing this carving as well, it has really been a form of closure for me, because, you know, my uncle was my idol in the carving world, even though skill wise, you know, in the long run I kind of overtook him, but I didn't really give two shits about that. It was more so, you know, I looked up to my uncle all my life when he taught me how to carve, and right up until his last days as well. So in a sense, this has been a form of closure for me as well. There hasn't been a day gone by where I haven't actually thought about him. Every day I've thought about him, like while doing this, because he had a really big impact on my life, like my grandparents, like my mother. My uncle was a very influential, is that what you would say? How you would say it? Figure in my life, and as well. If it wasn't for him, like, I would initially not be doing this. And I'll say this, if it wasn't for him, you know, this guy that carves wood called Brooks would probably never be a thing. So always gotta give you know, give my flowers to Uncle. Like always. How long did it take you to learn carving? I'm still learning. Still learning, brother. I believe when it comes to learning something in life, it takes a lifetime. Definitely takes a lifetime. That's just my opinion, but you know. For me personally, I think, you know. Hello from Brazil, kia ora. Thank you very much to everyone that's been hanging out with me today. Appreciate all the gifts on TikTok. Thank you very much to those that have subbed, gifted subbed or resubbed as well on Twitch. And to those chilling with me on YouTube as well. Nā mihi nui ki a koutou. What's your most proud carving? I will say all of them. But there is one in particular that I'm proud of as well. Because it kind of involves my children. Now, I was chosen back when I was a student with a few others as well to do a restoration project. More replication than anything. And it was of a marae or a meeting house that my children tied to in their mother's hometown. Now, the reason why I'm proud of that one is because, you know, initially the most amazing thing of all is my children get to see something their father has carved. And something that hits home even more is, you know, when eventually the day comes, my grandchildren will see what I've done in generations to come, you know, when I'm long gone, nothing but a memory. That's there's one particular carving that I'm proud of. It's just being able to so your brain works, oh, you know, the tree grows one way, follow the grain, never go against. And I'm just looking for little things anyway. So I'm kind of just doing like the final clean, which is just getting a lot of little things out of the way. Oh, this is the only reason why I'm moving around the carving is just to follow the grain. That's all. Kia ora, original NPC. What's up, Ride the Tide? Do you add colour to them or protective coat? Yeah, I do. How long have you been covering this for? I have no idea. I lost track ages ago, brother. My sister moved to Ireland from Ireland to New Zealand today. Oh, che. Hope she likes it here, brother. She coming over for uni or just working? Alright. From what I can see, I think we're good. Knocked it out of the vice. Alright. I think what we'll do too is have a wee cordial break. There you go. Yeah, I know your cleaning processes can be... I know cleaning processes can be a little bit boring, but these are kind of like the things that I have to do before we initially get to like staining. Staining is another one in there, putting the eyes in. It's a piece of art. Thank you, brother. Cleaning is in, yeah. I do get a little bit like find the board moment. If you don't know the reference, it's when Big Z kind of gets lost in his carving the surfboard thing. Stretch my legs, but yes, whānau. I hope you have all been enjoying the stream. Whakairo Maori wood carving was a very pivotal art form that benefited our people in terms of like telling our stories and, you know, passing them down as well. As I mentioned, we had no written form of language. It was all like word of mouth, face to face. And through other mediums too, like song and dance, so the haka you may know, you know, kamate, kamate. We had other haka too. We have many different types of haka. And we have another art form called rarangatu, which is like the flax weaving that we have. But essentially these were all like key things in passing down our knowledge through the generations. Now these days, you know, we're in a more modern timeline where our language is being recorded in books. Yeah. How much do you sell them for? So the commission that I'm doing, all up is around 1200, but I didn't do this job for the money. So the main reason why I did it was for my uncle, as I've mentioned before, who passed away. That's the main reason why I'm doing this job, is to, you know, uphold. How big is that? It's all together, like if I sold it properly, that would be 1200 on its own, and the other initial carvings would be added on top. Thank you very much for the hearts, man, and the ka pai. How much would you charge for a nice size piece for a house decoration for a wedding gift? I kind of judge it on like what the individual wants, eh? Like there was this one person. This is story from the archives in terms of like people asking for commissions from me. There was a guy. I won't say who his name is. He was a very privileged individual. He asked. So he asked, okay, bro, I need a carving. Obviously, a big thing for me is when people ask for a carving is, call me old-fashioned. I like hello, someone like greetings first. Don't come at me and just say, I want this and I want that. And that's what this guy did. He goes, he just came up to me, I want a carving and my budget is $50. And I went, okay, anything, because I played along, like anything in particular you want. So I just want a carving with, I just want a mean carving that looks great. So, oh, okay, well, there's two options I can do for you. I can either give you a picture of the carving on a piece of paper, or I can give it to you as a PDF file, because that's what $50 will get you. And he got pretty pressed about it, and Go, what, you think just because you got these skills you can charge more? It's like, bro, I have a family too. A lot of the time, like when we come across, people that are like that, they expect the world, eh? They expect you to bend to their every request, bro. It's a bit how's it going? I gotta say. Yeah, it's a bit how's it going when entitlement, yeah. That's I've come across a lot of people that are very very entitled. Thank you very much for the gifts as well, guys. I do apologize for not saying thank you as they were going along. Yeah, really 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 entitled people, like, and essentially too with Whakairo. Thank you very much for the cowboy hat, Jimbo and Big Ben. So with Whakairo too, sounds like a right wanker. Yeah, bro, he was, bro. Wait, did I allow that? I'm sure I did. Oh yeah. So this guy, yeah, he wasn't having it, eh? And he goes, oh yeah, nah, you don't really sound like a good carver to me. And so he went to someone else, one of my co-workers, and they said the exact same thing. Like, you can probably get a picture of it. And yeah, he just stormed out and left. Another example. Now this one is a bit closer to home. So it was one of my grandmothers. They asked for a waharua. Now a waharua is like a gateway, a great gateway. That's what you want. Now, if you can imagine, a gateway can be very, quite big, and in terms of like the price as well. And my grandmother goes, "Oh, kia ora boy, I want to get a waharua for my house. Oh, what's your starting price?" And oh, I'm doing it on my own. That'll probably be 20 grand. She goes, "Hey, nah, never mind then." Hour passes, rings up again. "Boy, how much can I really get a waharua for?" Oh, 25 grand. She done this like twice, and I was so annoyed I just started upping the price so she'd leave me alone. Yeah, well, I've come across it a lot. It's yeah, it's something else. Yo, King of Eleanor, what's up, brother? Yeah, bro, asshole tax, bro. Oh my gosh, a lot of people these days don't take us for granted. Like, they think, the skills that we have is all for them, when they don't realize, we have lives of our own, we have kids, we have families, and that kind of thing. Oh, bro, it's yeah, it gets pretty wild. Some people that request stuff, like even in my emails today. Oh, these days, like I want a carving, and as you all know, I'm big on hellos. You got us. Oh, I respect the hell of out of a lot of people that can, just say hello. Don't be a robot. Good prices, 100k plus a waharo. Yeah, it wasn't a grand waharo, like a huge one. I wouldn't charge 100k for a waharo for a little one. That's kind of how's it going, in my opinion. Unless it's a big ass one. The wood's 20k. Yeah, I had the wood. I was being nice there, and then yeah, I was feeling the vibes it was giving. So in the end, this ain't gonna go that well. People so used to mass produce factory crap. Yeah, bro. I 100% agree. Like, there are carvings here, like souvenir store type carvings, where they're all machine, and you can tell the difference. Like, you can fully. I expect everyone here that watches me to tell the difference between a machine-made carving and the ones I do. I'd be super surprised if none of you, don't see the difference. Bro, it's Hope Call. What's that? Isn't that like porn? I'm not a porno, by the way. Yo, hi Jinx, thank you for the 3 months as an Optimus Prime. Kia ora, kia ora. Sorry, I'm really out of touch with some of the slogans of today. Something that really annoys me is when people say type shit. Bro, I can't stand that word. It's cool when people say it now and again, but when people say it like fucking every 3 sentences, I'm like say something else. You know what I mean? Type shit, yeah, type shit. I'm like, fuck. My because obviously, you know, I have younger cousins and they all kind of bust out those slogans. I'm like, I normally just put my hand on their forehead and go, so I was like, talk properly. What's your favorite Pakati type shit? All of them. I do all of them. Although I would say Wanganui's one's probably my favorite because they're very, very intricate. Hit the reset button. Hope core is good vibes. Oh, okay. I don't know. Just every time I saw core, it's usually something raunchy. That's all I thought of. I'm sorry to the guy that said I was hope core. My bad. The carving tools specific to the region, genuinely, like back in the day, everyone had the same shape. The only shape that carving tool that they had back in the day was the initial like flat. If there are people that don't know, my ancestors didn't really have steel chisels to Sir Dickhead Cooks a lot. Captain Cook brought them over. So before he turned up, we used stone. 2 particular stones, Grey Waki, River Stone, known as Onewa, and the initial renowned stone we have here, Pounamu, or Jade. What was the bent chisel that you had called? This one? Was it that one? Wai Kuri? Hope cause positive stuff. Okay. Jesus. I need to make a Discord bloody section so you can give me the initial explanations of the new words. What's your favorite song? Get it high, live it, 10 toes down, in the magic, get the business of my fix Bro, I love that song, eh? I was like, holy, shout out to India. What you think about nicotine? Not for me. Yeah, I've never put a cigarette to my mouth ever. I don't smoke. All my cousins that been around cigarette smokers. Definitely, you know, wasn't my thing. Same with like weed as well. Although I did start smoking weed as I got older when I went to reggae concerts because it made the music sound better. Hanuman Kind's song. I like that song. Eh? I didn't realize he was from India. I thought he was Hispanic for a minute there. What else songs have I been listening to? Don Tolliver's been on the repeat lately. Sorry about so many pings. Oh no, you use the pings if you want. You're all good. Who else have I been listening to? Don Tolliver and a few others. To be honest, you don't have a choice to smoke it if go to a reggae concert. Yeah. Nah, 100%. You gotta smoke it if you're at a reggae concert. To get killed by Hawaiians? Yeah, you got killed by Hawaiians on Valentine's Day. Hey buddy, stopping by to say I hope you're having a good day. I hope you had a good day too, brother. I won't lie. There's a hint of Monday itis in me today, but I'm trying my best to power on through. What makes it even worse is we're on like the final clean type of vibe for the carving, and it's really, really slow. You still go to concerts? Nah, bro. I'm like 32, turning 33. I don't like being around a lot of drunk people. I can see myself at a concert now as like, everyone annoys me. If everyone's like on the vibe, you know, drinking, I'm like, everyone annoys me. Wait, you're turning 33 next month. So, if you have any Oiler cousins, if you have the Kenyan prince that emailed us back in the 90s, if if you know anyone that owns oil companies, tell them to come to my stream on the 23rd of September. Do not redeem it. Yeah. Do you drink at all? Just now and again. Yeah. Like I used to be, I used to party quite a lot back when first time I got into the clubs I was like 16. I kind of got over it all at like 25. Yeah. I kind of just started like slowing down on that type of stuff and just kind of focusing more on like important stuff pretty much. And then initially when I met, my now wife, I kind of really mellowed out and just she became, my sole focus in life. And who else? And obviously I was still carving at the time and working too, so Flem to fame for fame. Thank you very much for the roses, brother. So initially, when I found her, my priorities changed and the way I kind of lived my life changed as well. And she did definitely, bring a lot of meaning to my life. I hope she's not listening, but if she is, man, I'm the type of person that's not afraid to say I love my wife in front of everyone. What did you think about the Olympics this year? Call me old-fashioned, I ain't gonna lie. I prefer opening ceremonies when they're in the stadium. Because the beauty about it, I've been watching them since 1996, so the beauty about the opening ceremonies for me when they're in the stadiums is when you see, all the countries like coming together and you can see all the flags, everyone, ripping their colours and everything there, and you see like the pride that they have in their faces. I felt like that was a key component of the opening ceremony that was missing from the Olympics, definitely. And I didn't like this opening ceremony. Yeah, was for that reason that if you think about it, back in the old days, though, the Olympians were going into the Colosseum to compete against each other, and that's like a key thing that's been a part of the Olympics for years. And then they took that away. Koroahi, tēnā koe mo te raid. Nā mihi nui ki a koe, morena. And I hope you had a good stream, my bro. Yeah, so I won't lie, I didn't like the opening ceremony. I didn't really care too much for the performance, although, the odd nutsack was flying in the opening ceremony, but more for me was around the athletes. A lot of controversy, with a lot of the events too. More so for me was Fisher Price didn't get to race in her last Olympics. I was fuming at that because she's well and truly, after Usain Bolt was her, she was my favourite racer. Or runner, I should say, because and the rule change that they brought in the night before, because she wasn't staying in the village, she was with her family, I believe. Yeah, with her family. Subtrain. Wait, you can sub on TikTok? Is that a thing? Thank you very much, Bartos and Randy, for the 38 months. Highway 38 on my way back to my hometown. Cheers, my bro. Very cool in terms of my country, you know, getting golds and events we haven't ever gotten golds in, like high jump, cycling, and the golf. Shout out to Lydia Ko. I remember when I had a crush on her. What else? Dame Lisa Carrington's final at Olympics too, and she smoked it across the board. Did you see that Australian breakdancer? Yeah, I think for me, you know, the internet is a very harsh place, and everyone, like, you know, gunning in on her, talking shit, roasting her. That's probably the thing I didn't like about it. Like, at the end of the day, you know, she's a human too. She has feelings, and I'll be honest, call me old-fashioned. You can, you know, scold me if you want. I feel like the breakdancing doesn't belong in the Olympics, to be honest. That's my hot take. If people get angry at me, that's fine too. That's just me. That's just me. Yeah. That's just me. I don't know. I feel like it doesn't belong there. Thank you very much, Charlie and Bartos again. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not a fan of, you know. Is that a recognized sport in my opinion? Not really. Yeah. Skateboarding produced the youngest gold Olympian from Japan, 13 years old. Yeah, that was the first time, eh? She got gold last Olympics and in this one too. And then there's the 14-year-old Australian skateboarder too that got gold. I think. Yeah. Yo, Roro, thank you for the galaxy, bro. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much, Ricky. Chilla's gone. TikTok. Oh, bro. I'll be honest, bro, like, obviously when I'm away on trips, I log off fully. I don't really, you know, spend time on socials and then get home, and then there's been, like, a lot of drama online. Like, everyone seems to, you know, want to be involved in other people's drama, and I'm like, I'm going this way. Hey. Like the Fusely stuff, like, I got asked about it and I'm like, I don't even care, bro. It's not my life. What else was there? I always get DM'd asking about drama, and I'm like, bro, that shit does have nothing to do with me. I've got my own damn life to live. I've got kids to raise. Yeah, bro. It's when you see a lot of people, like, you know, insert themselves into other people's drama, it's like, go outside. What do you think of the Turkish shooter who got second? Is that the guy that had his hand in his pocket? Bro, absolute giga chat, eh? He's cool. Hey, from Scotland, big man. It's too hot here. Come get your sunbag. Bro, it's getting warmer here as we speak too, my bro. So we're probably transitioning into the warmer seasons as well. Hope it's good in Scotland, brother. I completely agree. I think the reason they've added more sports is so other countries have a chance to win. Yeah, that I would say that in this. That's why they created as an Olympics esports as well. I genuinely hope esports doesn't become a part of the Olympics, because I hope it's its own entity kind of thing. I know they passed it, but yeah, I hope they don't turn the Olympics into like some esports thing. How far is the beach from your place? It is about 40 minutes drive. What would you be hearing? Yeah, just wind and birds and probably the odd rubbish truck. Hello from Bangladesh. Kia ora, bro. Kia ora, kia ora. Sorry if I'm yapping a bit more than carving today, chat. I feel like we've actually got all the cleaning finished, to be honest. We might have to double dip and do 2 streams today. Kia ora, Rocco. What else? Yeah, what else? Yeah, those are my only things about the Olympics. The major one for me was the opening ceremony that they didn't go to a coliseum. Yeah. But 4 years time, where's it in? Next in America, right? Thank you very much to Hisham for the Optimus Prime for 2 months. Kia ora, kia ora. Thank you. Hello from Kentucky. Oh, fried chicken. Does Kentucky have some goated fried chicken, or is that just part of the slogan? I'm genuinely asking. Wood guy from years ago. Yeah, about 4 years ago now. You're our anchor point in this timeline. That's always my excuse when, girls ask if I'm single. I usually go, not in this timeline or this multiverse. Build a time machine if you want to go and ask another variant. Hey. Kia ora from Manchester. Hey, che. KFC is the best. Favourite Olympic event? That's a good one. You light up my day. Well, thank you. Favorite Olympic event? Oh man, that's a hard one. I would say, I gotta say the sevens. I know, it's kind of like default Andy question, but I'm happy that the Silver Ferns won. They've been on a real massive roll for a couple of years now, and I hope, I'm glad that Portia Woodman got to retire as a gold medalist, along with a few others too. And also Lisa Carrington, I'm glad she got to retire as a gold medalist as well. Where are we? Favorite Olympics? If you include the Winter Olympics, it's nice. Hockey is amazing. Oh yeah, bro, I like Winter Olympics too. Especially, those ones and they're going down the ramp and they go and they fan their flipping or their skis out. Holy. I get into university, I'm super excited about it. Hey, congrats, bro. Bro, that's cool, brother. Congratulations on university too, man. Now the thing to do now is just, go hard with your studies, make time for yourself too. If you need a break from study, always go outside and take a deep breath, my bro. Always. Nothing about New Zealand makes me love it. I'll be honest. There's a few people there talking our country, and it's a bit, how's it going? Okay, I think we need to have a bit of a Twitch stream about that. The different variants of accents here. Hey big man, how are you doing? Been a while, life gets in the way, hope you're well. Hey Viking, cheer brother. I'm good, my bro, I'm good. I haven't been consistent over the last week because I was planning my daughter's birthday, and we had it over the weekend, and it was good. It was super stressful for me because I'm the only one that drives in my family, and dear old truck that I've had for a long time, the heat gauge was going like that, and I was super stressed. But we're good. Thank you, Caden. I need this kind of positivity in my life. Have a good one, bro. Take my energy, bro. Nah. Cheers, brother. I gotta go, bro. Glad I could watch your stream. All good, Bryn. All good, brother. Have a good day, man. So to those that are kind of just tuning in now, it's all done skis pretty much. So we just gotta cut these bits out. These here. Thank you, Dalton Jones. Kia ora, bro. Hey, brother Luke with the 38 months as well. Thank you. Is it only one sided? Yeah, hell no, I'm doing two sides. They're not. Yeah. So there. Yeah, nah, I'm not down with doing two sides, brother. I've got to do the eyes too. So the main reason why I haven't done the eyes yet is because I want to get the, I don't know what it's called, you know, those drill press things and it's got the circles on it. I'm going to cheat and use those to map my eyes out and drop it on the shell so I don't have to muck around with sizing and whatnot. Yeah, so I don't have to fart ass around with sizing. Thank you very much, Brother Luke, for the 38 months. Hope you're well as always, brother. Power outer, I think, I don't know, they got like just cutters on it. And you can like do stone and shells. My uncle's got one, so I'm gonna use that. You and the family doing good? Yeah, my bro, we just celebrated my daughter's 6th birthday. Fuck. Kids are growing up too fast, man. Straight up. On gauges. Oh, I don't know, like, I think my reserve coolant thing, it's not feeding into the radiator. So when I opened up the radiator, bro, it was emptier than my nutsack. No. It was empty as I looked in it and, oh yeah, that's a problem. So we got some coolant, filled it up, and haven't had any problems since. So it should be good. Hey, a DJ! So, Catrix, I love the DJ badge, by the way. How has the DJ section been since it launched? What's up, Victor Hugo? What's that? Ezra. Kia ora, kia ora. My car definitely needs an oil change. Yeah, those are the main things I usually keep an eye on. Oil. Oil is the main one. And the coolant. Yay, Sati. Oh, so much tea. So much tea. Thank you, Kaboom and Maximilian. And a lot of full stops. Hello from South Australia. Hey, how's it going, my bro? Yeah, chat. So what I really need to do in my own time is get those eyes shaped out so we can carry on. But I think car problems are always arise when you need the vehicle the most, bro, hard. But initially, I've had this truck for a while. It was my grandfather's. He gave it to me. Then he got a 2023 Hilux. He goes, hey, look at my truck. I'm like, bro, you gave me your old one. He's like, yeah, because I got a better one now. I was like, you suck, bro. But yeah, I'm thinking we might trade it in and get an SUV. I drove a Qashqai, something along those lines, or a Mazda, something, you know, family friendly. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. We're still saving. Shout out to the guy that won 44 million up in Auckland. If I know you, come help me out, bud. Man, that guy won winner too. Won the lottery. Thank you very much to Ben Cohen for the 510 bits. Thank you, brother Ben. Hey, much love the Mind Fuel Academy. Kia ora, bro. What's up, Muster? And crafting as well. Kia ora. Man, I really appreciate your work. Keep it up. Make it more. I love you. Hey, thank you guys. Yeah, so do you watch rugby? Yeah, bro, the Pumas were mean on the. Or is it the Jaguars? Is it the Pumas or the Jaguars? What did they go by? Argentina was mean on the weekend. I can see like Razor's experimenting with his team right now. But you don't do that anymore, eh? Are you Muslim? No, I'm just Maori. Sir Razor. Thank you with F1. Yeah, so I haven't made the second YouTube channel yet. I'm still trying to toss up between names. Rox, tell us a story. What's your most embarrassing moment ever? Oh, have I even had one? I don't even think I've had one. You should be Muslim. No, I should just be me. That's all. That's all I'm gonna do. Just be me. When did you start streaming on TikTok? How long have you been streaming on TikTok for? For a while, eh? Yeah, I think for a while. I'm on a TikTok contract thingy now. I have to do 10 hours a month too. So yeah, you'll definitely see me a whole lot more. Definitely. You were wearing a dope Red Bull hat the other day. Yeah, my Oracle Racing one. So Red Bull kind of sends me some stuff now and again. And some Oracle stuff was part of it. And Helldivers too. And we got sent like was you on Mr. Beast? Why would I be on Mr. Beast? I'm not famous. Not as famous as those guys, but I mean, they're in a bit of strife at the moment, so I think I'm doing good. I think I'm okay. Are you required to stream on TikTok because of the contract? No, I just got to do 10 hours. Oh, I just stream on TikTok to bring more people to watch Carving. That's about it. You sound like Ricky Baker. Ricky Baker. Oh, that's Hunt for the Wilder People, eh? Yeah, that's a good movie, by the way. That is a very good movie. Thank you, Logan and STX. Why do they send you some stuff? Because I've been working with Red Bull since I started streaming. Yeah. What have I done with them? So we filmed a video, a YouTube video with them ages ago. I did some carvings for the Flugtag event. I did that. And then I went to go and host or like, you know, be one of the streamers at the Valorant tournament they had. And the team I was going for actually won, so that was the W day. Wait, what else? Yeah, like we've just been involved with them for ages. I must have, yeah, so if you type in, I think Red Bull NZ, you'll see an old video on me. I was a few waist smaller. Can you speak Maori? Ai, kai te mohi o ki te kōrero Maori. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen on Twitch? My laptop just went flat. Fuck. Lucky we got it all done today. Yeah, my laptop is still having problems where yeah, the power source is still an issue. I have no idea why, but yeah. Sabos. Chaz and Zombie, thank you very much. If you turned into a Pokemon, what would you want to? Hopefully, not a humanoid, because I hate humanoid Pokemon now. They absolutely ruined it for me. The humans of the Pokemon universe and humanoid Pokemon. Geez, I don't know. Probably Palkia, because he's got a mean scream. Thank you very much to Ben Cohen again for the 510 biddies. Thank you, brother. Do you know your name? Yeah, I know my name is Rain in Greek. How much to get your new jacket? I don't know, like, this jacket is very sentimental to me because it was my grandfather's jacket he gave to me in 1995, and I only just ripped it this year too. Fuck. I'll probably wear it till I can't wear it no more. Obviously, my wife won't let me wear it in public because she goes, "You look fucking homeless." It's like, yeah, it's warm. It's all good. So I just wear it when I wear it when I work outside. I want to get some overalls so I'm not wearing a lot of my clothes outside. I use some more. No, Maori. Yeah. Where's the rip? Over here. So this part of my jacket got caught in the vice. And then I just walked to the side and it ripped the pocket off. Oh, bro, I was gutted. Absolutely gutted. But yeah, I only ever wear it at home. Just, it's warm, it's a warm jacket, like, but it's very, very, very sentimental to me as well. What's your mahi today? We actually finished it. Yeah. Not unfixable. Yeah, it's not, but I'd just rather leave it as is. For the third time, I'm not Samoan. Where are we? You're the best. We all are. We all are. Yeah, we might double dip on the streams today. I honestly... Can I interview you on my podcast? What's your podcast about? I've still got to do an interview with Social Club on Twitch. Play Minecraft. The only reason I played Minecraft was to dig a big hole, put dynamite in it, blow it up and fill it with water and leave. Yo, cheer my bro. Thank you for the 52 months. Thank you very much, my bro. I hope you enjoyed your holiday too. Bro, your son was hitting the very hardcore dad pose while waiting for the bags, man. Thank you for the 52 months. Yo, Rhyme Fox, thank you for the optimist. Oh, for the biddies too, sorry. Where are we? Are you from New Zealand? Yes, I am. Yeah, my laptop has gone flat. Fuck. I don't want to waste money and buy another one, shit. I think it would be more relaxing if it was without... Yeah, I feel that one. But it was a nice experience with them. Yeah, nice, bro. Nice. Yo, bro, have you ever been to Ireland? The only countries I've been to is America and Australia. You still haven't landed. Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, I was planning on going back to TwitchCon this year, but I think initially I need to be saving for the next goal in my life. Thank you for the beach buggy too. That was a pretty cool animation. Can you replace the power socket or get someone to replace it? I can probably go to there's a computer guy here that like fixes stuff, so I might do it through him. And because I don't really want to replace this laptop either. Yeah. So I might hit him up. Yeah, so the thing that I've been doing for the last couple months with this laptop, when it like disconnects from the power, I take the power out of the power plug out of the laptop for a couple moments, plug it back in, and then the power starts working again. I've been rinsing and repeating that for like since Jan. Since January, to be honest. Don't facepalm at me. So I might start using the stream pack that I have. I was supposed to do an IRL stream on the weekend, but we didn't even go to the zoo. So I really didn't see the point. And plus I was too stressed out about the truck anyway. Sure my bro. Get out, my bro. But yeah, like interview inquiries. Oh, that's a mean. Oh, that's the Colosseum. And your mic is fixed? I honestly raw dog my TikTok streams from my phone. I just raw dog it. There's no like extendo battery thing. There's no extendo mic thing. Yeah, I'm just straight raw dogging it, to be honest. Alright, what's the time? It's 11:30. Okay, what are we on the daily right now? 14 out of 30. Yeah. Thank you very much, O12. And oh, what is that italic writing? Albino? Albino? Kia ora, kia ora. Hope you're having a Mickey one. Cheer my bro, you're having a good day. I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to get hungry. But today, glad to see the fame didn't change. It's just my undies, my bro. You can't wear those for 3 days. Or me anyway, my thighs touch, so yeah. That's the only thing that has to be changed, my bro. The garments. Thank you very much, JQNT. What does that mean? J Quint and Moggy and Bartos. That's the only things that must be changed. When do you plan on having your next stream? Probably tomorrow. Monday to Friday, sometimes on the weekends too. But weekend streams are normally like 2 hours. I don't really go over that, especially if my kids are home. What do you think about the state of Destiny 2? I'll be honest, I haven't even been playing Destiny. I'm still trying to get my heart gun that heals and shoot damages at the same time. Stream ending, it could be just because my laptop's playing up as usual. I love this. Oh, I'm glad you did. Hey bro, can you replace Australia's breakdancer? Oh. Oh, I feel like she doesn't deserve the hate she's getting, although, you know, there are breakdancers that are better. But yeah. Oh, I feel really mummo for her too. I think what hurt the most was knowing that she locked herself in the room and she'd been crying there since that day. So the internet can be a cruel place. Oh yeah, things happen, but I don't necessarily think she deserves to be, treated the way she's been treated by the world. But hey, that's the world for you at the same time too, eh? You should do audio books. I've still got to read Harry McCleary for you guys, eh? Hi from Scotland. Kia ora, kia ora. Okay, where's my... Okay, what's the time? We might have to look for someone to raid on Twitch. Anyone live? Any of the usuals here? Got anyone that we should raid? I think Kifs might be live. Alright, it's good. Bro, it's good. Bro, it's so good how you get famous for not wanting gifts. I'll be honest, I don't really like talking about myself, eh? Yeah. Thank you. Good on her for getting in. Yeah. If I could, go back in life and relive it differently, yeah, I would have picked up a sport that was in the Olympics for sure. Because, man, I can't imagine how amazing it must feel to have a medal for your country. Straight up. Bula vanaka, brother. Yeah, so I think tomorrow we'll try and cut those sections out tomorrow on the stream. And then initially we'll try and get into the staining this week. The staining will not happen on Thursday because I have a field trip with my baby, my youngest daughter. So that is a must. I'm one of those parents that likes to be involved with everything that my kids do. I like being there for everything. Fight in the UFC, bro. I'm fat. I'm 33, and they usually retire around 36, don't they? I'm 33 next month. No thanks. Are you the one on Mr. Beast? No, I've never met the guy. Isn't he in a bit of a hot water at the moment too? Vegemite or Marmite, peanut butter. I don't desecrate my taste buds with that crap. Peanut butter, brother. Oh, I can't do. You know, I heard Mr. Beast is going through a bit much at the moment, but as you saw now, I don't really care. It's not my problem. I know, you know, that a lot of the people on the internet get involved to get more content out, but you know, I don't really care about other people's drama to make content out of it. That's not my thing. I'd rather, you know, be clipped for hitting a no-scope because I've never hit a no-scope before. Also, when's this new Call of Duty coming out? I heard zombies is mean. Yes, I am a craftsman. Yeah, when does this new COD come out? Sorry, I can't send more X's. Huh? Nah, you're good. Alright, I need to ask you, do we call our next YouTube channel Planet Brock's World, or should we go with generic Brock's Gaming? What do we go with? How long have you been woodcarving for? Since I was 12, I'm 32 now. I turn 33 next month. So, about 20 years. 20 years of my life, pretty much, has been... I've dedicated my life to Whakairo woodcarving. Pretty much. Brock's World? Yeah. Can me and you kiss under the moonlight? I'd probably watch my wife punch you square in the mouth and I'd probably laugh at you under the moonlight. I love being a loyal husband. Oh, look, yeah, my laptop's getting flat because the video is getting choppy. Alright, Twitch. Well, I'm gonna have to end the stream. Yeah, I think laptop's dying. Yeah, usually when it's like flat as, starts being unable to power everything. So I'm hoping this guy is still live. So I'm gonna send you to Solikif's Twitch, YouTube. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'll probably stay with TikTok a little bit longer. Have a beautiful day. I will be back tomorrow, and we'll start getting those lower points of the carvings like cut out. That's the main thing we have to do tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. Then we start staining. All right. So Twitch, YouTube. Have a good day. I'm probably gonna jump an RP later tonight too. We might go live on the secondary channel. I really need to start using it more. But for now. Love yous all. Have a good one. And choo-choo.